up guys? Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be decorating for Halloween. I am so excited to be doing this. I've been waiting months for this moment and it is time, finally. It is actually getting pretty nipply out here in Saskatoon, I'm not gonna lie, like I'm literally freezing right now. I just want to put the heat on because it's so cold. Ooh, I'm not looking forward to the winter, that's for sure. Further ado, let's go decorate. Even first of all, I'll show you guys what I'm working with because I have like a ton of shit. I didn't even realize. This is what I'm working with. All of this stuff. This is what I have. So we're gonna decorate my tree and we're gonna decorate this. And then I have another shelf I want to decorate, which is holding everything right now. That's what we're gonna decorate today. I think the first thing we're gonna start off with is some cobwebs. These are from last year, so I don't know how well they're gonna work. I also have other ones that I got at the thrift store that are brand new, so if these don't work, I have those. So just some spider webs. I am thinking of putting some spider webs all through, like all on top of the shelf and that, so we'll see if that works. I hate working with spider webs because they're kind of hard. And it's cool because I already have like some spiders in there from last year. Ow! What I have so far. I want to do that shelf and maybe that shelf. Okay, so that's what it turned out to look like up here and up here. And then I have the spider webs going there too. So that's what I've done. Okay, I got all my spiders that I'm gonna put up. I got my spiders all up. And I put more spiders down here. And then I put a couple in here. Spidey, put one here, and then we'll put the other one up here. There, I got 2 spiders. Now I'm going to start putting some of the Halloween decor up and then go from there.
Perfect.